How to correct the white balance inside DaVinci Resolve. First click on the clip that you want to correct, let's see that one. Go to the color tab. Come to this one, which is HDR grade. Use the wheel which is on the right side and it's called global, because we have multiple things here, but the one on the right is not changing. Okay, so make sure the scopes are enabled. You can press Ctrl Shift and W on the keyboard. Ctrl Shift W ducks it in and unducks it. If it's closed, it jumps back. Okay, and by moving the center dot here, try to make the red, green and blue mostly in one line. So grab that center one and move it. I'm moving it up and now I'm moving it to the left, down a little bit, to the right a little bit, and also increase the exposure so that these colors would go very close to the top line. So exposure, go up, not all the way. Let's increase the blue a little bit more. Grab that center dot, move it to the right, and that's it. Alt F to hide that lower portion. Shift D to see it before and after. That's before, it's all blue, and that is after. If I want, I can increase the shadows exposure also a little bit. Set it to full screen. Shift and D. That's the before, it's bluish and is dark. Shift D again and it's much more natural. So that's a method on how to adjust the white balance inside DaVinci Resolve. If the white balance is not constant in your video, Ctrl Shift W to remove the scopes. Then here at keyframes, enable this characters keyframe, add a keyframe and move the playhead to a different location. And for example here we can see that the blue is higher and the red is lower. So in that case arrange it there also a little bit. Something like that. Now the red is too high. Arrange it there also a little bit. Now the red is too low. Before and after.